Okay, so welcome back. Today, let's do deep dive in Solana. Let's do yield farming for Render and Sol, and also a couple of other pair. Actually, I find another pair what I really like, and I think you will like also. And let's see how much money we can make. Basically, Render Sol right now is paying over 1% per day. I'm talking about 1.4, 1.5% per day. What is been crazy. Okay, I'm so pumped for these videos. Why? Because we are learning to be our own bank. Make sure you stay to the end of the video, because this is not a video by this, by that. I'm teaching you, I'm showing you what I'm doing. And again, here is only my personal opinion, nothing here is financial advice. What's mean? Do not put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto, you can lose everything. Okay. Also, if you never ever watch any of my video, more you give, more you receive, how I'm helping the poor people in the Philippines, Africa, and India, make sure you watch, because if you never watch, shame on you. And leave a comment. If you want to be faster speed, feel free to watch at 1.5 speed this video, because it's going to take probably like 10-12 minutes. Now, what is yield farming? Okay, so yield farming is very simple. Let's first go to Defi Llama. Defi Llama is one of the best tools. What it's a must-use tool for every DeFi space, for every DeFi person, everybody who is in the DeFi space or in the crypto space. Now, here we can get all the information for everything. Okay, so how we can find, first let's find a good pairs. Okay, we want to go in Solana. Okay, so what you can do is like this: you go into yields, okay, automatically go to pools, here tokens, just leave them all, chains, you can clear all, and you can just pick up Solana, okay, right here with Solana right there. Okay, and then you have categories, make sure you clear all, just leave it dexes. And also TVL, I use 250,000 to have into the TVL, and APY you can put, let's say 150%. Okay, that's for the year. And look how many pools we have. Sol with Sol Render, look at that, 382% APR. That is crazy, and I will show you because this can be much bigger. Now, this is very important, the trading volume, but we're going to go there everything. Now, Sol with Van, GME Sol, HNT Mobile, Sol with Honey, and so on and so on. And here you will see how much is the percentage APR. Let me just make my face down so you can see everything. So this is the base APR, and this is the projected APR. Okay, look at that, 889. Okay, this is crazy. Again, the Render USDC 200%, Sol NOS 443, and so on and so on. Is just crazy. Okay, so there are a few things you need to understand. First, you need to have a Phantom wallet. Hope you already installed. I'm going to make a video very soon how to get in. Now, why I choose Sol to show you to you? Because there are two dexes what I really like, Orca and also Radium. They're the biggest two dexes at the moment, and also Jupiter. But here you can farm, you can provide liquidity. What's mean? We are the market makers. What's that mean? That's mean we're providing our liquidity, and we earning from the fees. What fees? Well, people will ask you what fees. Okay, so this is the pools right now. So if you go to trade, okay, if you go to trade right here, if you want to buy and if you want to sell some tokens right here, if you go to trade, okay, you need to pay some money. Simple as that. You need to pay some small fee. So when you pay small fee, some percentage of that fee is giving, big percentage of that fee is giving for us, for the market makers, and some percentage is getting for the people who create these decks. Okay, so let's go and hunt some pairs. What is the most important things when you're finding liquidity pools, when you provide liquidity? First, you need to understand what pairs do you want. Do you want Sol and USDC? Look, 0.3% per day. Okay, this is the main stuff what you need to look. First, pairs. What do you want to create? You don't want to go to some kind of dodgy token who is going to dump tomorrow, so be careful with that. Okay, like let's say Crown. Okay, I don't even know who is this. Okay, Pete, amazing. I don't know, you know, if you find some kind of like this one who is even have like a triangle, be careful, warning, just don't go there. Right, look at it, 2% per day, but it's just don't go there, simple as that. Okay, make sure whatever pairs you choose, make sure that you understand that this is a DeFi money making portfolio. Here, when you provide liquidity, is you printing money for you every single day. And also, if you want to keep these two tokens, whatever you're going to provide for liquidity, that's going to give you the best option for you. If you choose some kind of random tokens with a high APR, probably you will get wrecked. So please be careful there. So I have over 10 different pools right here, and I love them. So render sold. Let's go back. Render sold. Check this out. What's the most important? The most important here is to see 24 hours volume and with liquidity. So the 24 hours volume here is 5.2 million. The liquidity is 1.7 million. So this number here, the trading volume, needs to be same or much bigger than the liquidity, because if this is opposite here, okay, then we don't make any money. So check this out. Liquidity 10 million. 24-hour volume and 5 million here, 6 million, and the fees is 0.01. Here's the fees is 0.3. So that's why the fees here, what is given back to us as a market makers, are 15,000 bucks for 24 hours, and here it's only 508 bucks. So that's why you're earning here 0.09% per day, and here you're earning 1% a day. Okay, so let's see how we can provide liquidity. So this is one of the things what you need to understand. Find the pair what you want, make sure you understand like how the pair going together, up or down, and let's and see what's the trading volume and also the daily and how much it is invested inside. So check this out. Let me just go back. So if you want to provide liquidity, what you need to go is you go there, you pick up, you go to deposit, go to custom, okay, and then this is the range. So this is concentrate liquidity pools. We're providing liquidity in some certain range. So we're saying that the price will be from here to here, and then we're providing range in this we're providing liquidity in this range. If the price go up or down of this range, then we're going to have some impermanent loss. Now you need to understand that, but there's also a lot of tricks where we can play with that, but that's for another topic. So check this out. If I say that the price of the render and sold is going to go only, check this out, only let's say 20% up and 20% down, okay, I'm going to get projected 1.2% per day. Per day. Again, your money, you're responsible here. You stake your money, you can unstake anytime, you can start earning liquidity anytime you want. Now, do I'm going to go to render and sold? No. Why? Because look, render pump a lot, okay? So this is for me is extremely risky. I want something else, something more stable. So what I find out for you is this one, WIF, okay? So WIF, dog with hat. Okay, it's pretty cool. Why? Because check this out. Trading volume is 35 million. Okay, market cap 200 millions, and this is what I like. So the price is keeping around right here. So went down to 17, so I'll say around 20 something. Okay, and it's holding right here about this range for the last 1 month. Okay, so now it's 34 and here it was 38. So we talk about this range around 20 till 30 till 45. Okay, so we talk about 30-40% up and 30-40% down. Okay, so let's go and find out how much money we can make there. Okay, why do I like that? Now let's go back to the pools. Here you can play around. So the best thing what you need to do is start with 10 bucks. Start with small. Why I choose Solana? Because the TVL, the trading volume is huge, is blowing up, okay? Now, I didn't go for DeFi Llama, but here you will see you can go in the volumes, all right? And overview by the chain. And here you will see that the Solana, the trading volume for the last 24 hours is second on the list, or bigger than BSC, 711 millions, okay? It's just crazy, it's just crazy, okay? So what you need to do here, you can go and check WIF with Sol. Look at that, this is what I like. 3.2 mil, but 1.7 mil volume, so it's much less. However, this is 1% fee when you buy and sell, you're paying 1% a day, okay? But on this volume in here, the fees are 17,000 bucks per day, okay? So I want to deposit. You go to custom and let's choose. So this is giving you approximately 50% up and 50% down, and you're going to earn 0.4% a day. But what I'm saying is, what you can do is, what you need to do is, you need to do some technical analysis. Do I'm the best in technical analysis? No, I'm not, but I am learning, and I will give you the best place where you can learn. Okay, so this is DEX screen. Okay, DEX screen is one of the best, and you can go here and type WIF with Sol. Okay, it's going to come up first. WIF and scratch Sol, and there we go. Okay, you will see liquidity 5.6 million age 3 months ago. Okay, so if you go there, you will see that this is the screen. Now make sure here you go to Sol. Okay, right here you pick up to Sol, and here let's go and compare the price. Okay, I hope you can see much better now. Let me just move my face. So this is what I want to show you. Okay, so this is on 4 hours chart. Okay, so here what day is here is December 21st, so that's too far, but we need at least 1 month. So this chart here, okay, so this is from January 19, okay, so we have a month. So if you just cross one line here, it's very simple. Look, this is straightforward again, and you cross one line here, okay, let's see right here. Well, let me just move my face. So one channel here, I should say a good range here. So this is the channel right here. We talk about 0026 till 0040. Right now the price is 0030. So we talk about 15% down, but I want to make it a little bit more passive. What's mean that will be too narrow, too aggressive. So I want to put some line. Let me just go back, sorry. Let me just go back, and if you put one line right there to the bottom range, okay, so this giving us 0021. Okay, so let's go back for the orca and let's provide liquidity. So we say 0 point, so this is width and sol, okay, and here you will see what's saying is trading for 24-hour volume is 1.7 mil, liquidity 3.25. Okay, and this is very important here. So this is how you set up. Current price is 0031. Okay, it's the same like right there. Okay, now let me just go back. Now we said bottom price will be 0.00, I will say, let's say 23, okay, till 004 it's giving us, okay, and we're going to make 0.9% per day projective. Okay, so sometimes can go up, sometimes can go down. All right, it depends how much is the trading volume. Now here, this is the depositing ratio. It's 55% sol and 44.9 width. Okay, WIF, and this is crazy. Okay, and I'm 30% up and 22% down, so I have 55% up and down to go the price, and I'm earning 0.9%, and this is good range. Okay. If you want to go more wide, what's mean you will be more time into the liquidity. Okay, you're going to make 0.54% per day, what is huge. Okay, listen, 0.5% per day. Okay, and look, you earning. We talk about 100% up and down. If you want to go more narrow, you go here and you go there. Let's say you want 70% with 20%, you're earning 1.2% per day. How crazy is this? And how you provide liquidity? Let's say you pick up the range wherever you want, then make sure you connect, choose the amount, okay, make sure you have some sol and width, and then you go right there. I will say, let's say 0.05 sol with this one, $10 inside. Okay, so make sure you only look, estimate I'm going to make 1.2% per day. That is crazy. This is crazy. And then you just confirm, and you just wait a couple of seconds, and you will see is going to be right here. So if you want to find out where is your portfolio, okay, when you go to Orca, okay, just click right here. Look, 165 million. All right, 24 hours, 300 millions, and this is just crazy, guys. Okay, so then you go to portfolio once you connect your wallet, and you will see here, right here. So with Sol, I have $10 invested, and I'm starting right here to earn every single day, every hour basically. And you will see I have $10 invested, and the range, this is my range approximately. I'm going to get 1.8% per 1.2% per day. Isn't this crazy? This is crazy, right? And here you will see your range. I'm just in the middle. Okay, and you will see here everything when you click on it. If you want to get out, you go to withdraw and you withdraw. All right, so that's about it. One of the best place. Okay, I hope you learned something. All right, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. I'm going to do also for every chain you want. I mean ARP, I'm using Uniswap, I'm in Sui, I'm also in Osmosis, so on and so on. The video is becoming extremely long. I'm going to probably put in 1.2 speed to be just easier for you. And one of the best place to go and learn is definitely these guys here. If you want to join the Underdog investor group, make sure you tell them CryptoPhil send you, because you're going to get $50 off the second month you join. Again, this is amazing group, one of the best I've been so far, and I just paid my membership for 6 months up front, and probably I will pay for the next 3 years, to be honest. Again, well done to these guys. Go all the way to the end of the page, go join. Make sure CryptoPhil send you, just tell them just when you feel that CryptoPhil send you, so you can get the biggest discount and also a good reward back on your second month when you join. All right, so that's about it. If you have any question, guys, hit me in my Telegram. I am always there. It's free to join. Go and join, ask me any question you have. Goodbye and stay positive, and love you all.